Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from Metamask to your crypto.com. So first thing you need to do is open up your Metamask app, and then you have to make sure that you have selected the Ethereum main network. So if you haven't selected it, you have to just click on this network option at the top of your screen. Then from this list of networks, select Ethereum main network. Then you just have to select the Ethereum from your home screen that you have in your account. Then you have to click on this send button, and on the screen in this two section you have to paste the wallet address from your crypto.com. So open up your crypto.com app and then click on this deposit button. From this window click on crypto, and then from this list of cryptocurrencies select ethereum. After that you just have to select the network that you want to use. I'm going to select ERC20. You can choose any network you want. After that you just have to select the copy your wallet address. Click on this copy button right next to your wallet address, and then open up your MetaMask app and paste the wallet address in these two section. After that click on next, and then just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then click on again next. And once you do that, it will ask you to confirm this transfer. Make sure to check your wallet address and network is same in your both of app. And once you confirm these things, click on transfer, and that's it. Your Ethereum will be transferred from Metamask to your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.